Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the MLS-Touch app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. MLS-Touch is a mobile real estate search and client management app designed for real estate agents who need fast, on-the-go access to MLS listings. The app allows agents to search properties by location, map, or custom filters, view up-to-date listing details, and share listings directly with clients. It also integrates with client portals, offers in-app messaging, and features a branded agent version to strengthen professional presence. For property showings, MLS-Touch supports saved searches, route planning, and real-time market statistics to help agents provide immediate insights to clients. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Agents appreciate its quick search capabilities, intuitive map-based navigation, and seamless integration with their MLS database. Many find the client collaboration tools, like favorite syncing, instant listing shares, and activity tracking, helpful for building stronger client relationships. The branded app feature also adds credibility, making it easier for clients to remember and contact their agent. Still, there are some downsides. MLS-Touch is only available to agents whose MLS has partnered with the platform, which means access can be limited. Some users report occasional slow loading times or syncing delays, especially with larger markets. The user interface, while functional, may feel a bit dated compared to newer real estate tech tools. In summary, the MLS-Touch app may be worth using if you're a real estate agent looking for a fast, MLS-integrated mobile tool that supports property search, client communication, and branding on the go. It excels in agent-client collaboration and MLS data access, but may fall short for agents in non-partnered regions or those seeking more modern UI designs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.